Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh edition. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. As this vehicle is a plug-in hybrid, it has a range of up to 75 miles on a 7 kilowatt charger. It can take up to 5 hours on a 50 kilowatt rapid charge. Up to 80% it can take 40 minutes. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the perforated Windsor leather ebony upholstery. The middle seat does roll down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. Along with your 4x4 information, terrain response, drive modes, ride height, as well as weight sensing. All these different features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may find yourself on, ensuring that you are always prepared no matter what. The car also features Park Assist, which is ideal for those difficult parking situations, whether this is to help you park in one or perhaps even leave a space. Pairing with this nicely, you also have a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. You also have an off-road feature, ideal for those off-road adventures you may have. And you also have dual zone climate control with front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover 3.0 P460e 38.2kWh edition. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.